A car camera is an essential tool for modern drivers, offering safety, security, and peace of mind on the road. In this guide, we explore the top 5 best car cameras that deliver high-quality video, advanced features, and reliable performance for every journey. Number 5. Redtiger F7 NP4K Dash Cam. The Redtiger F7 NP4K Dash Cam is a powerful and reliable choice for drivers who want high-quality recording and advanced safety features. It captures ultra-clear 4K front footage and full HD rear video, ensuring every detail on the road is recorded. With its wide-angle lenses, it minimizes blind spots and provides broader coverage. The built-in GPS tracks your driving route, speed, and location, making it useful for insurance claims and trip reviews. It also features night vision technology, delivering clear footage even in low-light conditions. The loop recording and G-sensor ensure important clips are saved automatically during sudden impacts. Easy to install and user-friendly, this dash cam is perfect for both daily commuters and long-distance drivers. Number 4. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear. The ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam is designed for those who want both performance and convenience. It records stunning 4K video from the front camera and full HD from the rear, ensuring complete road coverage. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to connect the camera to your smartphone for easy video viewing and sharing through the ROVE app. Its advanced night vision ensures clear recordings even in dark environments. With a wide-angle lens, it captures more of the road, reducing blind spots. The dash cam also includes loop recording, parking mode, and a reliable G-sensor for emergency recording. Its sleek design and simple setup make it a great option for drivers seeking a modern and efficient dash cam system. Number 3. IIWEY N5 4-Channel Dash Cam. The IIWEY N5 4-Channel Dash Cam stands out with its comprehensive 4-channel recording system, making it ideal for maximum vehicle security. It captures footage from the front, rear, and inside the cabin, providing complete 360-degree coverage. This makes it especially useful for ride-share drivers or families. The camera delivers high-resolution video with excellent clarity and supports night vision for low-light conditions. It features loop recording and a G-sensor that automatically locks important footage during sudden impacts. The interior camera ensures passenger safety and records in-cabin activity. Easy to install and packed with useful features, the IIWEY N5 offers excellent value for those looking for full surveillance capability in a single dash cam setup. Number 2. Veement V300 Dash Cam. The Veement V300 Dash Cam is a compact yet feature-rich device designed for everyday driving needs. It offers high-definition video recording with a wide-angle lens that captures a large portion of the road. Its night vision capability ensures reliable performance even during nighttime driving. The built-in G-sensor automatically detects collisions and locks important footage to prevent overwriting. Loop recording allows continuous recording without worrying about storage space. The dash cam also supports parking mode, adding an extra layer of security when your vehicle is parked. With its simple interface and easy installation, the Veement V300 is perfect for drivers who want a dependable and affordable dash cam without complicated setup. Number 1. TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K Dash Cam. The TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K Dash Cam delivers premium performance with dual 4K recording for both front and rear cameras. This ensures crystal clear footage from all angles, capturing even the smallest details on the road. Its advanced night vision enhances visibility in low-light conditions, making it reliable for nighttime driving. The wide-angle lenses reduce blind spots and provide full coverage. Equipped with loop recording and a G-sensor, it automatically saves important clips during accidents. The dash cam also features parking mode for added security when your car is unattended. With its high-end features and exceptional video quality, the TERUNSOUl dash cam is an excellent choice for drivers who want top-tier protection and performance.